Sport utility time here at Unique, especially in classics. Don't get to do a lot of these. 1995 GMC Yukon GT. Nice looking two-door SUV. 4x4 of course. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter V8 GM powered engine. That is paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, although I did notice the compressor on the AC did not kick on and off with this one. May need a charge. Give you the heads up, and we'll open up the hood starter up here in just a little bit too. It's a blacked out grille with the exception of the GMC logo on the GTs here. Got a bug shield on it. Now, this vehicle does have clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Paint on it shows well. It is black, and due to the age of it, it does show some imperfections here and there. But overall, nice look to this truck. If you want to check out the still pictures, there's probably close to 100 pictures of this. Be able to check out the underside, the interior, the engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on a nice looking 20-inch wheel. It's got polished aluminum. Rubber's good. You can check out the rubber depth in the still pictures also. And you can look up and down the truck. You can see the black's got a nice reflection to it. Wall behind me, and it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches up and down the side of it. Would have cloth bucket interior. Center console. The shifter is up on the steering column. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Roll pan back here. Of course, you can see the tailgate style rear end compared to the barn doors. Once again, all that can be looked at closely in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. You can see this is a few scuffs kind of along there. I don't know if I can get that to show up a little bit. There you can kind of see it. But again, you take a look at the reflection of the showroom behind me. Tell the paint is still good on it, but there are a few imperfections. A little bit of a ding. If I can get that to show up, it's actually, there it is. A little bit tough to get those things to show up because the paint still is nice on it. Good looking running boards. Let's go ahead and fire this up and we'll check out that engine bay. Let's take a look at the interior here. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Those would be original door panels, original floor mats. Seats in nice shape. This vehicle has just a little over 100,000 miles on it, but as you can see by the cloth seating area, not worn through, no holes. That is a nice shape. Of course, you'd have the flip down armrests on both sides. Driver and passenger in this vehicle. Here's your exact miles. There's at 104. Let's go ahead and start it up. Again, 5.7 liter. Stereo system does work. Turn that down a second. Wipers work. Have the intermittent also. Take a look at the dash. How about that? Not cracked, discolored. Appears this vehicle has been stored indoors, especially judging by the seats. How they've not weathered. They look good. Dash looks good. Paint, considering the age of the vehicle, also nice shape. Of course, 4x4 shifter on the floor. Little aftermarket gauge down there also. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back, and no crazy exhaust, anything like that. How you'd expect a stock 95 Yukon to sound. Alright, I'm going to slip up here to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped and let's check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Check out the hood liner here first. It doesn't appear that this vehicle has been driven a lot of inclement weather. You'd have a really stained hood liner if that was the case, from salt and road grime and all of that wonderful stuff. All right, power brakes, power steering, 5.7 liter. Here's all the AC components and everything is here. Like I said, I just did not have the compressor kick on and off when I tried it earlier. It's like a new Delco battery. Smooth runner, good sounding engine. There you are, 1995 GMC Yukon GT. Riding on 20s, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Give us a call on this one, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in regional.